Good afternoon. Look how beautiful is the view from this hotel. I'm here in Uruma Anza Hotel. You can see the mountains, we can see the sea and the green golf court. Look how beautiful is here. This is Anza Hotel in Okinawa. So enjoy the view. See you next time. Bye bye from Okinawa.